So in this video review, I'm going to be walking you through a detailed review of Fluxactive. And I'm someone who's bought it and used it myself, so I'm going to walk you guys through this scam that made me lose $900. My experience, my results I got from using Fluxactive Complete, and the pros and cons that come with Fluxactive Complete. And finally, I'm going to give you every other thing you need to know so that most importantly, you're able to make an informed decision whether or not Fluxactive Complete supplement is the right supplement for you or not. So I'm going to walk you guys through the scam that made me lose about $900 while trying to get Fluxactive Complete for myself. And before I start this, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying Fluxactive Complete is not a good product. I myself have used it to solve pains when I feel urinating, so it's really, really good. But let me explain. So I first heard of Fluxactive Complete when I was reading an article about the cause of diarrhea on clevelandclinic.org. It appeared on an advert on the sidebar of a website, and I simply picked over, had a good look through the page, and due to that, the fact I was desperate, I was almost convinced to pull the trigger and make the payment for Fluxactive supplement. But I wasn't that convinced, so I went on YouTube to look for some reviews, but I couldn't find any real videos. All I could find were a bunch of videos with text and robots, which are clearly just made to buy you, make you buy the product. They're not real. So I don't want to go search for reviews, but I found some general reviews on Google. After I read those reviews and after I, went over them, I decided to buy because people were talking amazing things about Fluxactive Complete product. But where the scam actually happened was, I was going to go and buy it from seeing this reviews. I was looking around and I saw a website that promoted an 85% discount for Fluxactive Complete. I'm a normal human being. I hopped over to the website to buy from there immediately, put in all my details, and hit the buy button. And I noticed that all my money in account at the time, which was $900, was actually withdrawn by scammers created those fake discount websites that look like the real and official Fluxactive Complete website. I'm just going to cut to the long story short. The bottom line is I got scammed $900 that was currently in my account at the time. That's one of the reasons I'm making this video, to save other people like me from getting scammed as well. So to prevent the scamming, I've put the direct link to the official Fluxactive Complete website in the description below, so that when you guys are done watching this video, learning the pros and cons, and making the final decision on whether or not you're going to use Fluxactive Complete, you can actually click through the direct link in the description and go ahead and buy your Fluxactive Complete bottles from the official Fluxactive website to make sure you're not getting scammed, and it will be the first link in the description video. So now I've walked you guys through the scam and everything that I experienced and how you can prevent getting scammed as well. Let me walk you guys through my own personal experience using Fluxactive Complete and my results that I have gotten in the span of using it. So just to keep everything short and simple, I bought Fluxactive Complete and I started using it, and since then I've actually resolved the pain I feel when urinating. Last year I was frequently urinating and I always felt pains when urinating. It was terrible. After taking Fluxactive Complete supplement, my pain was just gone. So Fluxactive Complete works, but it took me about 2 months of consistent use for me to start seeing visible results in my journey. So guys, I'll strongly recommend you to go and get Fluxactive Complete if you're looking to solve any prostate related problems, because it has worked for me. I believe it'll work well for you. Also, remember that while buying, you have to make sure that you buy from the right and official Fluxactive Complete website to be 100% safe. I recommend you click through the direct link that is put in this description of the video. And look, even if you're not ready to buy it now or make that decision, you can actually just save this video to your bookmarks to watch it later on the play here list here on YouTube, so you can come back to the video later. Go ahead and use the link when you're ready to buy. So now that I've walked you guys through that scam I discovered and my personal experience, let me walk you through all the pros and cons I discovered while using Fluxactive Complete. I'll start with the pros, and the first thing that I'd love to mention as a pro that comes with this supplement is the fact that it actually works. I personally tried tons of different supplements. They have all these claims and all these things, and solutions over the years, but this one has gotten me the most results. It actually works. The second thing that I would like to mention as a pros that comes with Fluxactive Complete is the fact that it is actually made up of 7 natural ingredients. And the fact that it actually reduces the amount of side effects is amazing. The third and final thing I would love to mention as a pro is that is the fact that it actually has a money back guarantee. Yes, which makes everything 100% risk-free, guys. You can try it, and if it doesn't work, you don't like the results, just get your money back. But it's important to know that if you fall into the hands of these scammers or these people making these websites I talked about, you won't be getting a refund. So it's important that you buy it from the right source. I put the link to the real and official Fluxactive Complete website where I bought mine the second time from below in the description of this video, so that when you're ready to buy it, it will be completely easy for you. No sweat. So guys, so now that we have seen the pros, let's talk about the cons that come with Fluxactive Complete. Even though the supplement provided me with significant results, I was really impressed in resolving my diarrhea issue, there's still a few things that I really didn't like, and I'll just talk about them now so you can know if you can cope with them or not. So firstly, the supplement is primarily sold on the Fluxactive Complete official website, which is a con to me. I would have preferred if you can purchase some of the supplement in like any physical pharmacy store or anywhere else. And secondly, without a strict follow-up on the supplement, the outcome would be minimal. The effect it has will vary considerably from one person to the next, depending on the individual's like physiological, functions. No two results are going to be the same. So just to wrap up the review, Fluxactive Complete actually works well. You have to be willing to actually follow through with the prescribed dosage and also have patience, as I started seeing significant results after about, let's say, 2 months of using Fluxactive Complete supplement. Also, you have to make sure you're not buying from anyone that promises you huge discounts on the website at all. That's how I got, scammed and lost a bunch of money. But later, I bought from the official website, and guys, the supplement is amazing. I want you to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and a comment so that it'll rank higher and get seen by more people, so that we will ensure that the scamming does not happen again. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys at the end of your journey, and I hope you'll all be able to smash your goals as I did. Also, if you have any questions regarding Fluxactive Complete, I will strongly recommend just go ahead, type it in the comments section below, so I'll be able to answer it as soon as I can. Once again, thanks for watching, guys.